once I pull this trigger, they're gonna haul you out of here. Hunting is a lifestyle survival.
How's it going, guys? September 16th is hot. I'd like to think of session bows and bipolar broadheads. We about to get it done today, boys.
Lifestyle survival of the fittest. We on a hunt, what you want, come on. Now you're in a drought
Close down,
zone.
exhale, one shot, one kill. We do it like there's a buck in the rut hunting for a doe. I got a tree stand view through a rifle scope. Come Saturday morning, there's one thing on my mind. I gotta get out and see the southern sunrise, where the game is wild and the limit's high.
Boys, we got us one down. She's down here in the woods. We see it. We got blood everywhere. Them bipolar broadheads sure did a number. Let's go get her.
Welcome to the drop zone, got you in the crosshairs. Once I pull this trigger, they're gonna haul you out of here. Hunting is a lifestyle, survival of the fittest. We on a hunt, what you want.
Here she is. Bipolar broadheads and session bows, thank the good Lord. If y'all don't believe in bipolar broadheads, get with Mr. Tim Knight. This is what they do to a deer. Tear them up.
Over dogs, it's all American. To hunt and tote a gun. Climb up in that tree stand.